beautiful day in Animal Land. Yeah, it is. Yeah. Okay, it's Madison. Who's that? Oh, him? He's just one of my friends, Crocodile. Or, wait, no, not Crocodile. It's Croc, even though I'm an alligator. It's kind of weird. Don't worry about it. Wait, guys! What? Do you see that? Oh my gosh, that's an egg? Wait, is that golden or yellow? I think it's just yellow, guys. Oh, what are we waiting for? Let's open it. Yeah. Wait a minute. Who's that? Oh, hey, wait, stop, wait a second. Where do you think you're going? Well, I'm really busy right now, so guys, I gotta do... Well, are you gonna answer the question? Yeah, man, why'd you just run away like that? What's up? Wait, who even are you? Oh yeah, none of us have ever seen you before. I think you might be Duck. How'd you know my name? Wait, so you are Duck? But that one makes sense. I mean, he's a lot smaller. So... No. It's like, you know how Sonic has a classic version? Yeah, what about it? I'm like classic Duck. So, yeah. Oh, okay. I get it now. Hey, did you guys see that? Yeah, that was weird. Oh well. Honestly, we've been doing a lot of fighting. I think we should just chill out, you know? Yeah, Sloth has a point. Yeah, let's just chill out and do stuff. Look, wait a minute, guys. You want to see my climbing skills? Oh, okay. Yeah, alright, yeah. Alright. Get ready for this! Okay, there we go. And now... No. Come on. No. Ah! Oh my gosh, Duck. Classic Duck, are you alright? Let me go check on him. Wait for me. Me. Dude, are you okay? What happened? I still need to work on my training. I just want to become strong like you guys. Man, it's alright. One day you'll get it. But right now, let's just, well, chill out. You know, guys, I just love chilling out in the sunset, you know? It's really nice. Yeah. Like watching all the birds just fly by and chirp and sing. Yeah. It's really nice.